Codi Manufacturing opened their doors way back in 1992. We started by building case conveyance for larger companies such as Anheuser-Busch, Pepsi, and others.
Codi Manufacturing started primarily as a conveyance company supplying two-piece D&I lines for the aluminum can manufacturers, and that was our primary focus for roughly about the first 10 years of business. From there, we evolved into case handling applications, so we developed and patented a roller retrofit system, and that allowed us to convert packaging lines at Anheuser-Busch and other large beverage manufacturers, reducing the total number of parts in their conveying systems.
Codi equipment has impacted the beverage industry in many ways. Our very first step into the industry, we released a counter-pressure filler where there was nothing at that size. Second is we are introducing machinery across the board that is not only cheaper but far superior to the competition.
My name's Jared. I am our Chief Operating Officer. I've been at Codi for 20 plus years. When I started here, I started in the manufacturing and worked my way through various fields, and now I'm at the top of the food chain. So in about 2013, we started looking into the craft beer and the evolution of what was happening with the can market there, and we decided, since the market really had an underserved opportunity of counter-pressure filling, we started the development of the inline counter-pressure filler that we offer today. The Codi filler was designed as a counter-pressure machine always, and we never really did the atmospheric filling, and that allowed us to kind of become the laughingstock of the first few craft beer conferences, because everybody else was going, "Oh, we don't need that." It wasn't until they really realized the counter-pressure would allow you higher carbonations, higher fill temperature ranges, and also higher yields of producing canned beverages that the counter-pressure took off. You know, Codi as a company has gone through several evolutions of products and what we were offering, and as a company have diversified numerous times into other fields, and that's allowed us to really tap into a lot of those previous experiences to bring together what is the best available equipment for craft brewers today.
Hi, I'm Andy Gibbs. I work at Codi Manufacturing. I have been the purchasing manager for 12 years. The impact that Codi Manufacturing has on the industry is pretty large, especially in the craft beer scene. We started by wanting to build quality equipment that was made in the USA. I would say about 95% of our stuff is sourced in the USA and built here. We like to have the best equipment at a very good price. We rank so well against our competition is because we care. We put our best into every product that we have, and we want to be the best. We give the best service, build the best products, and we source everything in the United States.
Yeah, I mean, Codi equipment as a whole is going to continue to dominate in a lot of the spaces because of our build quality, where we use higher grade stainless steels and better design features, and we really tap into our manufacturing ability more so than our competitors. Our competitors are really not as in tune with the manufacturing as we are, and that's what we're able to offer as a company, is higher quality equipment because of our manufacturing processes. What separates Codi as a manufacturer over other manufacturers is our ability to utilize our sheet metal design experience, our machining experience, and other various equipment that we own and operate to bring forth the best design for the application. So in a certain situation, it might be more cost effective to laser something and machine it than just machining the whole part. What that gives our customers is a higher quality equipment in the long run at a lower cost. So we're really not providing something that reducing quality. We just have figured out a better way to make it.
My name is Ryan Ortega. I am a control systems engineer, and I've been at Codi for 1.5 years. Some of the steps that we had to take to be able to counteract the supply shortages was having to effectively redesign some of our machines, both hardware and of course having to rewrite the programs for each machine. What set us apart from our competition was our ability to be able to change the programming the moment that we figured out what hardware changes we needed to make. And of course, we do all of the programming in-house, so being able to implement those changes and of course test those changes to make sure that we were getting the desired result. Fairly simple.
My name is Jake Wiesing. I am the lead operator, lead trainer on the Codi service team, and I've been here practically 3 years. A service visit looks different depending on what's called upon. There are annual maintenance visits, there are preventative maintenance visits, there are training visits, there's startups. Just depending on what the customer needs at the time, that's what the service team is ready to do. A lot of people are always curious what a service visit looks like. When a service technician gets on site, the very first thing we're going to do is introduce ourselves to the team, whether that's the production manager or the head brewer, and we're going to dive right in. If it's an annual maintenance trip, we're going to go right into that. If it's a commissioning trip or a startup week, we're going to go right into training on the new equipment and getting things running perfectly. Us as a service team, we understand that we can't always be on site. So we do everything that we can to set up your operators and your maintenance technicians for success when we can't be there or we're not in the office, whether you're on the other side of the world or whether you're working third shift. We do things like our Codi Service Center, which is an online resource that we have. For a long time, we had a few good things on our website, some different tutorials and things, but we realized that glass ceiling was super fast approaching. And we weren't about to shortchange our customers, much less our department in general. So doing the Codi Service Center and having all that information in one place, whether it's training manuals or troubleshooting or schematics or videos or whatever the case may be, to be able to have your facility running at top performance at all times, whether we're here or not.
Our service and support is, they're the only cans group. Who else has got a company that has only cans? We now all know what's up there.
I think the number one thing that sets the Codi service team apart from maybe other companies or whatever the case may be would be we're a bunch of guys that are former brewery employees. We've been running packaging equipment for a long time. We understand what it's like for it to be Friday morning and you got to empty a tank because you just want to start your weekend. We've been there, we get it. So we come into every job, every phone call, every email with a different level of care than I think a lot of other service teams are going to because we just get it. We like beer. We like packaging. We're forklift certified. That's what's up.
The 5-year goal for Codi Manufacturing is to keep improving our designs, improving our product, and our service for our customers.
Codi in 5 years is going to continue to evolve as an automation company. We're going to continue to diversify into more packaging related items where the market is currently underserved. And I think we've really proven that with the release of the tunnel pasteurization systems. We've got a wide range of can rinsing through grippers, vacuum, various twist rinse options. We've got single lane and mass blow off dry solutions. We've got the new carrier applicator coming out, which is just going to change the whole landscape, allowing customers to either run a pack tech or a can collar or any other various points. We've got a lot of new really exciting stuff in the pipeline at Codi, and I'm just super excited because we have a fantastic team that is bringing this all together and going to offer us to a lot of small scale packaging. Yeah, we do that. What don't we do? We build depalletizers, we build twist rinses, we build grippers, we build vacuum rinsers, we build a filler, we build a seamer, we build discharge conveyance, we do vacuum conveyance for general stuff, air conveyor. Again, yeah, we do that. Pack tech applicator. There's not a piece of equipment that we don't offer in a packaging line at this point.